How you going, guys? Sammy here. Now, an essential part of every fisherman's knowledge is knowing how to throw a cast net. Now, before you get too involved in this, make sure you check your state's regulations because they change from state to state. Now, I'm going to show you how typically we throw a bait net. It's quite a simple process, very easy to do, just takes a bit of getting used to. So I'm going to show you the technique, then we're going to have a little throw ourselves. Righto, so the net I've got here is a 9-foot bottom pocket net. So bottom pocket, great for gathering live baits, not so great if you want to catch prawns, but the purpose of this is to catch liveys. So 9 foot, what we're going to do is we're going to coil the rope. So I've got it wrapped around my wrist so it doesn't come off like so. Now I'm going to go arm's width, like that, and just coil the rope in my right hand until I get to the big swivel. Then I want to take 2 arm widths of net. Now, depending on the size of the net will depend how big your loops of net are. If you've got a 12-foot net, they're obviously going to be a lot bigger. If you've got a 9-foot or 8-foot, they're going to be a lot smaller. Now, we've got our net like so. What we want to do is grab from the front of our bunch, we want to grab the lead line, which is the bottom part here where the leads are attached. We want to grab that. We want to wrap it around our middle finger in our right hand, like so. Now, we want to also grab from the bottom of that lead line. Again, we want to grab another bunch and put it over that same finger. Now in our left hand, we want to grab the lead line. We want to walk our hand out until we have about just under half of the leads remaining, like so. Then we're going to hold it out like that, spread it like that, and now we're ready to cast. So once you're ready to throw, arms out, plenty of rotation, and give it a whirl. See how we go. So there you have it, guys. Nice easy way to throw a cast net. Hope you catch yourself plenty of liveys and have a good bit of fun doing it. Catch you later.